So what's up, guys? Here we are with the new Veto MP1 pouch. I've had a lot of interest in this from things I've posted, so I figured I'd show a video about it to you guys. I got this because I was looking for something where I could just run into a call really quick with the basics without having to bring in a bunch of tools or anything like that. So I've been experimenting with different setups, and this setup has seemed to have been working pretty well for me. But as you can see, this is made out of that 600 denier nylon they use. The back is leather. This part here is all leather. This is a little piece here. You can stick this into your back pocket without clipping it to your belt if you want, but I prefer to have it hanging off my belt on my side. It's easier for me to grab and all that. This here also is a tape measure holder. I've been clipping my Milwaukee knife on here, but that's a tape clip made for that. But I prefer my tape measure to be hanging off my pocket. So I'm just gonna go through quick what I just keep in here real quick for the refrigeration collar and HVAC collar. Just your basic adjustable wrench, obviously. Service wrench. It's my HVAC 8-in-1, the Klein. I don't know if you can see it. Very good tool. The other Klein, this is the thermostat one, the 4-in-1. You guys have seen that before. Just a pair of dikes. A pair of the new Klein hybrid prop pliers. I'm really liking these guys. Little pair of channel locks, the Knipex. These are the 6-inch pair. Very good stuff. And just a regular flathead. I always like having a flathead on me as well. And a marker. So you can see, guys, this little pouch holds... That's a bunch of stuff, and this can hold even more. But like I said, I just want it for the basics. I don't want it too heavy, like weighing down my pants or anything like that. It does come with a tape loop for some electrical tape. And here's just a good view of it. The back pocket here is, that's leather as well, the biggest pocket there. You can see all the pockets of different sizes here. You got two on the sides that are longer, so you can fit long shank screwdrivers, nut drivers, whatever you want. Like I said, the back is leather. They do make another one, the MP2, which is bigger. They make a TPL1, which is also all leather, and a TPL2, which is also all leather. I wanted one of those, but these have been very hard to get. Every time I was on their website, they were always reading out of stock. So, but either way, I finally got my hands on this one, and I'm extremely happy with it. It's been really good just for the quick grab and go into a call. Like I said, you can see what I have here. So, I mean, you don't really need much else for a basic service call. You bring in your meter or whatever. I just carry that. This won't hold a meter. It's not big enough to hold a meter. I believe the bigger one, the MP2, you can fit a smaller meter. The pouch is bigger in the back, but just wanted to feature this quick for you guys because everyone seemed to have some interest in it, and see what it is. It's very helpful instead of stuffing your pockets. I mean, normally half the time I'd have half this stuff hanging out of my pockets because I just run in quick or take stuff. You guys know how it goes in the service call, but that's it, guys. You can see here I'm building a workbench here down in my basement, so got some solder weld stickers, some nice stuff, but I want to have a nice area where I can do recaps of my videos and things like that, and get some stuff up in the background pertaining to the trade and whatever. But here it is, guys. So that's all. Thank you guys again. If you're interested, if you're just new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe if you want, and catch you boys in the next one.